Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise and CPU virtualization enabled. Once done, open Turn Windows features on or off. Check Hyper-V and Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure you reboot after enabling firmware settings, because without a restart, the hypervisor won't load. Next, create a dedicated folder for virtual disks and ISOs so files stay organized. This saves time later. Now proceed to create a new virtual machine. Don't skip the custom options step. You'll create the VM. In Hyper-V Manager, choose New Virtual Machine or Quick Create. When prompted, allocate RAM, start with 4 GB for light tasks, increase for heavier use, assign 2 CPUs if available. Attach the Windows 11 ISO and choose Generation 2 for UEFI firmware support because Secure Boot and TPM requirements matter. Configure a virtual switch for network access, enable dynamic memory if desired, and add a virtual TPM if your build needs it. Once configured, start the VM to begin installation. You finish installation like a physical PC. Follow Windows 11 setup prompts, create an account, and then install Hyper-V integration services or enhanced session tools. This enables clipboard, drive sharing, and better display. After that, tweak VM settings. Assign GPU acceleration, set resolution, and map shared folders. Take a checkpoint or export the VM before making major changes so you can roll back. If the VM won't boot, check Secure Boot, Virtual TPM, and boot order. Toggle Generation 1 versus Generation 2 if compatibility issues persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.